Forced rhubarb from Yorkshire is famous the world over and has now been recognized with protected designation of origin status from the European Commission's Protected Food Name Scheme. It is the 41st British product to gain this status. Rhubarb forcing in Yorkshire began because of the climate and the availability of fuel and fertilizer in the region. In 1817, a chance discovery led to the growing of rhubarb by the forced method. Workmen digging a trench in 1817 threw soil over some rhubarb roots. Later, when the soil was taken off the plant, tender, brightly colored shoots were revealed. The shoots were more tender and succulent than normal because they had been deprived of light. This led to rhubarb being made to grow earlier than normal in mushroom sheds, and later in purpose-built forcing sheds. The rhubarb growing region is a triangle known as the Rhubarb Triangle, and it includes areas Wakefield, Leeds and Bradford. This part of England at the side of the Pennines is an excellent frost pocket in the winter, and it is this frost that is necessary to release the energy in the soil. Fuel was easily available in the region because of the Yorkshire coal industry. The fuel was needed to heat the growing sheds. Fertilizer came from the local woolen industry. Shoddy was readily available and nitrogen-rich. The Rhubarb Triangle at one time produced approximately 75% of the world's forced rhubarb, and more than 200 growers set up in the area in its heyday. These days the industry is much reduced, but making something of a comeback. Since 1996, tours around the forcing sheds have been bringing tourists to Wakefield, and the council organized the Wakefield Festival of Food, Drink and Rhubarb, which is held every February. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.